Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Om Sai Ram to all my beautiful loving Baba lovers out there. So how's things going with you all? And today I was thinking what story should I tell you all, and what I should give. So I thought, why not again share yet another beautiful incident of my life with Baba. So in Pondicherry, usually regularly whenever I go to Pondicherry, regularly in the sense I go once in a year. I always go to Mother's Ashram and Baba's Mandir, because somewhere I feel when I go to the Pondicherry Baba's Mandir, it is as if I am entering Shirdi. I don't know why. If you all ask me why, I actually don't know, but I just feel like that. And there, one good thing is they allow me to touch Baba's feet over there, so maybe that is one reason why I always feel as if I have a special connect in that temple. So I go there. I think I went there once, and while going there, before going to ashram, I usually go to the temple. So that day when I went there, the temple was they didn't allow us to touch the feet, and I was very upset that they didn't allow me to touch the feet. And then I went around, I finished, I gave them the flowers for Baba. I usually keep kesar peda for Baba whenever I go to the temple, so I kept that everything. And then I came and I sat and I saw this pujari gave, he usually gives biscuits, Baba's prasad to everyone. He gave everyone, but he didn't give me. And I was little wondering why, what has happened. And then okay, I didn't take it anything further. I thought, okay, maybe Baba's angry, I don't know what has happened. And then I just leave, and then I go to ashram. But in ashram also, my whole mind is why Baba's prasad didn't come to me, and why is it that I couldn't touch Baba's feet. So ashram I go, and then I come out, and there's a beach near the ashram. So I just go there and I sit there watching the sea. I see this old man walking towards me. He comes to me, and then he puts his hand out, and then I tell him, come, I will take you, because I usually don't give money to poor people. I take them, and if I feel guided, then I get them food from a nearby place. So I tell him, okay, come, I will get you food. So he says, no, you give me money here. So I said, no, you come, I will give you food. So he says, you all people are like this only. You all forget what you promise, and you all just do what you feel like doing. And I was little shocked that why is it that this man tells me like that. And then he says, I want 200 rupees now. When he said 200 rupees now, I immediately remembered that I had told Baba there was one small work which was due, and I had told Baba that I will do Satyanarayana Puja in that mandir, because in that mandir it was 200 rupees a ticket. And that time when that person had told me, madam, you do Satyanarayana Katha Puja here, we take 200. I had told him next time, and then I told Baba, sorry, now I'm in a hurry, so next time I will do. And after that 2 years I had gone, and I had completely forgotten. When he said 200, I was so shocked. Immediately I gave that I told that man, come with me, I'll give you food, or else I'm not giving you anything. And then he just walks away. I go to the temple. First I do is I go to the counter, and then I pay 200 rupees, and I pick 3 tickets, that is for 3 years as a compensation. And then I go inside the temple, and that man says, madam, I was searching for you to give the prasad, and you just left. And I was like, I was sitting right there in front of you, and you just say that you just left. Then he says, okay, come, you touch Baba's feet. And I went and I touched Baba's feet. I had all tears, and it was as if I didn't know how he reminded me. And I took the prasad, and then I came back. And correctly on the day of that Satyanarayana Puja, usually I don't go whenever that, because it's quite a distance from my place. I had landed there after 15 days, a person who just goes once a year. And on the day of Satyanarayana Katha, I was sitting in the temple, and I prayed to him. And I looked at him and I said, now you must be very happy that you made me to come here the day you wanted me to come. So that is Baba for me. He knows how to tell me what he wants to tell me. Sorry, I had to put a pause. So that's how he is for me, and he tells me wherever I am wrong, and he just guides me. So okay, now let's see what is in the cards today. What is he got to guide you today? Okay, 2 cards have come out. The protector, the grace of the Guru. So here Baba says he will destroy your fear and protect you. So maybe some of you are having some fear because of which you feel things are not moving or you're scared. He just says he's there to protect you. At the same time, he says his grace is always upon you. So today Baba is trying to tell you that whatever it is there, you can tell him and he's going to protect you and he's going to bless you. So sit down and speak to him and tell him what it is that is troubling you, and what it is that is, you need solution for. Let's just bring in one more card to see what is troubling you. The helper. Maybe your career is troubling you. Baba says you're worried about your work, you're worried about money, you're worried about your business. Overall, it is financial worries and work related worries. So just surrender it to him, because he's telling you to surrender it and he's going to help you all. So today just tell Baba whatever you feel is happening in your career or in your business, and I'm sure there is going to be a guidance. Today also, if possible, offer some food to a street dog, because you all know Baba loves dogs. So if you can offer some food to a street dog, I'm sure Baba is going to bless you and show you a sign of how you can come out of your troubles also. Om Sai Ram.